Ethereum value equivalent to 34,189 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,930 to 34,624. The earlier day close, 34,557. The change was 368, 1.06%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 35,443 rands, high 37,924, low 32,962. Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 5, cost 34,911 rands, high 37,355, low 32,467. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 34,199 rands, high 36,593, low 31,805. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 34,272 rands, high 36,671, low 31,873. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 34,122 rands, high 36,511, low 31,733. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 35,252 rands, high 37,720, low 32,784. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 35,392 rands, high 37,869, low 32,915. Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 35,981 rands, high 38,500, low 33,462. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 35,223 rands, high 37,689, low 32,757. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 35,004 rands, high 37,454, low 32,554. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 35,291 rands, high 37,761, low 32,821. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost 33,974 rands, high 36,352, low 31,596. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 34,172 rands, high 36,564, low 31,780. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 30,826 rands, high 32,984, low 28,668. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 31,284 rands, high 33,474, low 29,094. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 30,442 rands, high 32,573, low 28,311. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 31,364 rands, high 33,559, low 29,169. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 31,138 rands, high 33,318, low 28,958. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 32,860 rands, high 35,160, low 30,560. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost 34,749 rands, high 37,181, low 32,317. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 35,433 rands, high 37,913, low 32,953. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 35,144 rands, high 37,604, low 32,684. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 34,189 rands. Excessive cost 38,500, while low cost 28,311. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,937. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 34,749. Change for May 1.6%. Ethereum gauge for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 34,749 rands. Exorbitant cost 38,557, while low cost 32,500. The found the middle value of cost 35,188. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 34,946. Change for June 0.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 34,946 rands. Exorbitant cost 39,469, while low cost 34,305. The found the middle value of cost 36,402. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 36,887. Change for July 5.6%. Ethereum gauge for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 36,887 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,537, while low cost 36,887. The found the middle value of cost 39,500. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 40,689. Change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 40,689 rands. Exorbitant cost 46,386, while low cost 40,360. The found the middle value of cost 42,686. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 43,351. Change for September 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at 43,351 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,807, while low cost 43,351. The found the middle value of cost 47,699. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 50,287. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 50,287 rands. Exorbitant cost 50,287, while low cost 42,770. The found the middle value of cost 47,333. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 45,989. Change for November 8.5%. Ethereum estimate for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at 45,989 rands. Exorbitant cost 45,989, while low cost 35,927. The found the middle value of cost 41,634. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,631. Change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 38,631 rands. Excessive cost 47,949, while low cost 38,631. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 42,000.